guys, welcome to my new video. And if you are new here, I will be encouraged if you subscribe to my channel. And this channel is for money and tech tips. So I share personal experiences and review stuff on money and anything that I see that is profitable, and tech tips also. So let's get started to the video as fast as possible. Here is our BingX app. So here is our BingX app, and we want to review the copy trading. I want to talk about copy trading. So if you don't know about BingX, it is a leading cryptocurrency exchange site. It allows you to deposit and copy trade from experienced traders. So you can to copy trade. First of all, you need a deposit. You need an amount of money in your account, like what you see there. It is a deposit from 2 USDT. First of all, I first deposited 5 USDT to copy a trade that didn't work out, and secondly, the 2 USDT I deposited was to copy another trade that worked out to become 7.44 USDT now. So when I see that this is working, I decided to share it with you guys. So please encourage me by subscribing. Thanks a lot. So how do you copy trade on BingX? To copy trade on BingX, you need to deposit. So when you click on the deposit button, you will just see you can buy the crypto as well, or do a bank deposit. So if you want to deposit the crypto, you just click on the deposit and choose the coin you want to deposit. So if you want to deposit on Bitcoin, you want to send Bitcoin, you deposit it on Bitcoin. You want to send USDT, you deposit it on USDT. And make sure to be very careful with the deposit network, because if you choose Tron20 as your deposit network, you must use the Tron20 to send the money or the bitcoins, the value of USDT you want to send to the same network. That's what I want to say. Or otherwise you will lose your money. Your deposit won't be confirmed. So to copy trade, all you have to do when you are in the home, you just go to the copy trading tab. So first of all, I will first show you my trades before I teach you how you can copy trade. Here are my trades. As you can see, my first 5 USDT deposited was a loss, but I didn't stop the copy trading because I think it will give better results in the future. As you can see, I can stop copy trading here, as you can see, but I didn't stop it because I think it will give better results in the future after I have lost. So this will tell you that the copy trading is not for sure thing. It is a risky business. Every business is at least risky. Everyone knows that. So if you don't want to risk anything, you won't gain anything. I'm just reviewing this here because I think it works, because I've tested it and I've seen that it is working. Secondly, as you can see, my profits, I invested 2 USDT here in this copy trade, I get plus 1.36 USDT. As you can see, the copy trades work. This team Verd here is helping and is a very good copy trader. So there are losses and there are gains too. You should know that. So to copy trade, all you have to do is to choose a better or a good copy trader. As you can see, the risk rate you can choose a copy trader of 1. But when you choose copy trader of 1, that doesn't mean that you won't lose your money. But it reduces your risk of losing the money, and that's all. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe and give me a like button for that. So to choose a copy trader, you will look at their statistics. So here is their ROI, which is not bad. You can see their profit is higher than their loss. And number 2 is that you can just look at the last 180 days profit, and you can see that they lose minus 27%. But this doesn't mean that when you invest, it depends on the time you're going to get your earnings. Like last 180 days, last 30 days, for example, you can see. Last 7 days, you can see. So, which means the mass loss is 0.92. But this is a very good copy. This is a very good trader to copy, as you can see. So, this is cool. You can see their ROI and their ratio and everything here. You can just take your time and read a lot of stuff. So that's it. Here are more details. Last trading time from the copy trader. So this is a good copy trader. This is a good trader to copy, I think, from Ukraine. So you can just go look at other traders and you can see copiers. You can see 3,000 people are copying this trader and their copier profit. You can see an account assets 16,000 US dollar assets, and they make profit of 31,000. As you can see, this means this is a good copy. This is a good trader to copy, but you need to be careful. And you can see in the last 180 days, you can just set your own to like 30 days trading, and after you get your earning, you can just quit, and you can just quit for a while and study their statistics to see how they are doing. So thanks for watching. Now if you want to copy trade, all you have to do is just click on the copy button. So here's the copy trade tab. We are in the home. We just go to the copy trade tab and we just copy a trader that we are interested in, a trader that's like this trader now, that we just check their copier profit of 1,000 USD and the account assets, you can see, and they have a profit of 1,000, which is not too bad as well. So to copy it, you just click on this copy, and the amount of USDT you want to invest in the copy trading, and you can just reduce it to 2. You can see the minimum here is 5. So some traders allow you to deposit to copy trade with 2 USDT. You have to know that this trader, that you can copy this trader of 1 USD with 1 USDT, I think. Okay, it is 4.5 to 5, so you can copy it with, it is 5 to 10,000 USDT. You just get a trader that has a reduced amount of money to copy. You can get some traders that you can copy from them for like 2 USDT, like the one I worked on. I don't want this video to be too long. You can see this one, I copy trade with them with 2 USDT. So that's it, and the name is T10 Boy. Thanks for watching. I don't want this video to be too long. We'll see in another new video. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Bye.